The United States Air Force has a new strategic long-range stealth bomber.
Right now, in a classified facility in California, America is building something that will make every enemy air defense system obsolete overnight.
The B-21 Raider unveiled at Northrop Grumman's Plant 42 in Palmdale.
Nearly 40 B-21 Raiders are taking shape in the shadows, while China and Russia scramble to build their first functional stealth bombers. The Pentagon just dropped $100 billion to accelerate production like never before. This isn't just another military program. This is America's guarantee that we will control the world's skies for the next 50 years. Welcome to Flight Deck, where we decode the engineering reality behind America's air superiority. What you're about to discover will change how you think about American military dominance forever. What's happening at Plant 42 in Palmdale represents American manufacturing excellence at its finest. While China's H-20 bomber remains stuck in development hell and Russia's PAKDA exists only on paper, American engineers are revolutionizing bomber production. We're not just building aircraft, we're manufacturing air superiority at a pace that has our enemies in emergency planning sessions. The numbers tell the story of American determination. $100 billion committed, 40 aircraft in various stages of production. Each B-21 Raider represents technology so advanced that it makes China's best efforts look like museum pieces. But here's what really matters. This isn't just about building better bombers. It's about maintaining the technological gap that keeps potential conflicts from becoming actual wars. The B-21 Raider program has achieved something military experts called impossible. They've turned stealth bomber production from a craft into a science. Remember the B-2 Spirit? 21 aircraft built over decades at astronomical cost. Each bomber essentially handcrafted by specialists using 1980s manufacturing techniques. The result was the world's most capable bomber that nobody could afford to build. The B-21 changes everything through revolutionary production techniques that have defense analysts calling it a manufacturing moonshot. Digital twin technology creates virtual replicas of each bomber before the first rivet is installed. Advanced robotics ensure precision that human hands could never match. Artificial intelligence optimizes every aspect of the assembly process. The Palmdale facility represents American industrial capability at its finest. Northrop Grumman has invested over $2 billion in digital infrastructure alone. They're using manufacturing techniques that didn't exist when the B-2 was built. Each B-21 incorporates lessons learned from decades of stealth operations, advanced radar-absorbing materials that are more durable and require less maintenance, simplified manufacturing processes that reduce costs without compromising capability, open systems architecture that allows rapid technology insertion. Take a moment to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support helps us bring you the latest in American military innovation. The stealth capabilities push boundaries that seemed impossible just years ago. While the B-2 Spirit could evade radars from certain angles, the B-21 is designed for 360-degree stealth across multiple electromagnetic spectrums. Here's where the B-21's capabilities become truly revolutionary. This isn't just a better bomber, it's a flying sensor platform that can gather intelligence, coordinate other aircraft, and strike targets while remaining completely invisible. The aircraft's range capabilities remain classified, but defense officials indicate global reach without refueling. That means American commanders can strike any target on Earth from bases in the continental United States. The weapon's flexibility encompasses everything from precision-guided conventional munitions to the next-generation long-range standoff nuclear cruise missile. This dual capability makes the B-21 the cornerstone of both strategic deterrence and conventional warfare. But here's what makes this truly game-changing. The B-21 can operate autonomously using artificial intelligence. Imagine stealth bombers that can penetrate enemy territory, identify targets, and engage them without risking a single American life. While America builds operational B-21 Raiders, our adversaries struggle with basic stealth technology. China's H-20 bomber remains years from first flight with limited capabilities that already appear obsolete compared to American achievements. Russia's PAKDA program faces technical challenges and funding shortfalls that make meaningful progress unlikely. They're attempting to develop 2040s technology with 1990s industrial capabilities. The strategic implications are staggering. China has invested billions in air defense systems specifically designed to counter American stealth aircraft. The B-21's advanced capabilities make those investments worthless overnight. Every B-21 Raider that rolls out of Palmdale represents a strategic problem that enemies cannot solve. They can't detect what they can't see. They can't target what they can't track. They can't defend against what they can't predict. The B-21 program proves American defense manufacturing can deliver complex systems on time and under budget when properly managed. While competitors struggle with cost overruns and delays, Northrop Grumman has established production processes that work. Current plans call for at least 100 B-21 Raiders, spreading development costs across a production run that makes economic sense. This isn't the B-2's limited production nightmare. It's sustainable manufacturing that ensures long-term capability. The Air Force expects initial operational capability by the early 2030s. That timeline would deliver game-changing capability while America's adversaries are still testing prototypes. The $100 billion B-21 investment creates thousands of high-paying American jobs while advancing technologies with civilian applications. Stealth materials, advanced electronics, artificial intelligence, and manufacturing processes developed for the bomber find uses across multiple industries. Northrop Grumman's Palmdale facility alone employs thousands of skilled workers. The company has invested heavily in training programs that develop expertise in advanced manufacturing, material science, and systems integration. But the economic benefits extend far beyond direct employment. Supplier networks span dozens of states, creating jobs and expertise throughout American industry. This distributed approach strengthens our industrial base while reducing dependence on foreign suppliers. The B-21 Raider program sends clear messages to both allies and adversaries worldwide. America remains committed to maintaining military superiority, regardless of cost or complexity. For our allies, the B-21 provides reassurance that American security guarantees rest on genuine military capabilities. The bomber fleet ensures America can fulfill commitments in multiple theaters simultaneously while maintaining strategic reserves. For potential adversaries, the B-21 forces fundamental changes in strategic calculations. Defense planning must account for bombers that can strike any target without warning from bases thousands of miles away. The mere existence of 100 invisible bombers creates deterrent effects that extend far beyond their immediate military capabilities. Adversaries must invest enormous resources in defenses that may prove ineffective against technology they don't understand. The B-21 Raider represents just the beginning of a broader transformation in American air power. Integration with other next-generation systems will multiply effectiveness beyond what individual platforms can achieve. The bomber will work alongside the F-47 sixth-generation fighter, advanced unmanned systems, and space-based assets to create an integrated air power network. This system of systems approach provides capabilities that exceed the sum of individual platforms. Artificial intelligence integration will enhance bomber operations in ways we're only beginning to understand. Machine learning algorithms will optimize mission planning, threat assessment, and target engagement while keeping human commanders in control. The B-21 program validates American aerospace leadership at a time when competitors struggle with their own next-generation systems. While China and Russia make promises about future capabilities, America delivers operational aircraft that prove our technological superiority. This achievement reflects everything that makes American defense innovation exceptional: world-class engineering, advanced manufacturing, strategic vision, and the industrial capacity to turn concepts into reality. The men and women building these aircraft represent the finest traditions of American craftsmanship. Their dedication and expertise ensure each B-21 meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. For our military veterans and active service members watching, we want you to know about our growing community of fellow patriots who understand the importance of American military superiority. Join us in the comments and connect with others who share your dedication to our nation's defense. These bombers will serve American forces well into the 2070s, adapting and evolving to meet threats we can't yet imagine. The program represents the best of American military-industrial capability and our commitment to maintaining peace through strength. The B-21 Raider demonstrates that America remains the world's premier military power, capable of designing, building, and deploying the most advanced weapon systems on Earth. While our adversaries make threats and propaganda claims, we respond with concrete capabilities that speak louder than words. The The 40 B-21 Raiders, now in production, represent American resolve in action. The $100 billion investment proves that America will never compromise when it comes to national security. We will maintain our technological edge. We will keep our forces ahead of any potential enemy. We will ensure that American air power remains second to none. Every B-21 that takes to the skies carries with it the hopes and dreams of every American who believes in peace through strength. It demonstrates to our allies that America stands ready to defend freedom wherever it's threatened, and it sends a clear message to our enemies that American air superiority is not negotiable. When these aircraft finally reach full operational capability, they will join the ranks of legendary American weapons systems that have preserved peace for generations. The B-21 Raider isn't just another aircraft. It's America's promise to the world that we will never surrender the skies. If this incredible display of American military innovation impressed you, please like this video and subscribe to stay updated on the latest developments in defense technology. Share your thoughts in the comments about what this investment means for American security. The future of American air power has never looked brighter, and the B-21 Raider is leading the way. Until next time, remember that freedom isn't free, but America has the finest military in the world standing guard to protect it.